In today's video, I'll show you how to switch between desktop in Windows 11 laptop or PC. Now, let's say I'm on my desktop and I have some apps open on here. And let's say I want to go to another desktop. To do that, what I have to do is click on Windows plus Tab together. If I click on Windows plus Tab, as you can see, I got a new desktop option over here. Now, if I click on it, it's going to take me to a fresh desktop. And note one thing, no apps is open here. So it's like a separate workspace for me. And if I want, I can go to personalize and change the wallpaper in here. So go to background and change it to anything. And as you can see, the wallpaper for this desktop is different. And if I go back to my original desktop, as you can see, it's different. So it's totally separate desktop and you can switch between it, clicking on Windows plus Tab and then just selecting the desktop. You can create more here and you can cross out if you want some. And basically that is how to create and switch between desktop on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.